In number one, does anybody know what it's called? So number one, we're pointing right at this piece right here. You're looking at it as a whole piece. Specific name, Rich Bay.
Anodeless riser.
That is awesome. Anodeless riser. That gets a clap. Number two, the arrow is coming down. It's pointing just to whatever that stuff is right there. What is it called? Tony Levanti.
Polyethylene plastic piping.
Very good. Polyethylene plastic piping. You're looking at other things on there as well. We could talk about this whole picture all day long. 14 gauge tracer wire. Hearing stories about you really don't want it in contact with the tubing anymore, but it should be right beside it. And you're also seeing foil tape, which it's one or the other. Most people use both these days. They'll use the 14 gauge tracer wire right on the same level with the tubing, right at the same grade level. And then they'll use the foil tape, which they don't have to. This is go over and above the code. As they're backfilling, they'll bury that piece of tape about a foot below grade. So there are two things going on: tracer wire to locate the pipe, and the foil tape. So the backhoe operator goes, oh shit, there is a pipe under there.